Shell molding was developed in the 20th century in Germany. This process is invented by German engineer Johannes Kroning. Shell mold casting provides a good dimensional accuracy, higher rate of production with lower labor cost. Yes, in today's video we are going to discuss about the shell mold casting process. So let's begin. First of all, we will see the required things to complete the shell mold casting process. First is metal pattern to make the cavity. Second, oven or heater to heat the shell. Third one is sand and resin mixture to prepare the shell. Fourth one, dump box to hold the sand. Fifth one, a plate to fix the pattern. Sixth one, molten metal to pour inside the mold cavity. And the last, clamps to clamp the wooden plate on the dump box. Okay, now let us see the complete process. First of all, we will take the pattern which is already fixed on a plate. We know the pattern is replica of our final casting product. This pattern is made up of iron and steel. Now we will put this pattern inside the heater and heat it up to 250 degrees Celsius. The normal temperature range for heating is 175 degrees Celsius to 370 degrees Celsius. Next, we will add some sand and resin inside the dump box. This plate is kept over the dump box and invert the dump box so that the mixture will fall on the pattern. There would be a question in your mind that why we heated the pattern. The answer is due to the heated pattern, the resin takes the shape of pattern easily. After curing the mixture, we will have perfect shape of shell. Still, the shell is not ready to make the cavity. We will heat the shell inside the heater so that it will have some hardness and tensile strength. Before that, we will invert the dump box once again so that the excessive mixture will fall down inside the dump box. Now we will disconnect the clamps. Let us keep this plate and pattern inside the heater to increase the hardness and tensile strength of our shell. We know if we heat the sand, its hardness increases. Due to this reason, the ceramist heats the sand while making the earthen pot. Anyways, let us come back to the topic. For heating the shell, the normal temperature range is 250 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius. Now our shell is ready. Let us remove the shell from the pattern. If our product is symmetric, then we can prepare the mold cavity with a single piece of pattern. Obviously, it will take more time. If the production quantity is too small and product is symmetric, then it would be better to prepare shell with only one piece of pattern. But if our product is unsymmetric, then we should prepare two-piece pattern. Now we will combine the shells and clamp it so that we will have our mold cavity. For better results and stability, we will put this cavity inside the flask and we will fill the sand around the cavity. Generally, people use sand, shots and gravels to fill the empty space of flask. Further, we will pour the molten metal inside the mold cavity so that we can have our final casting product after solidification process. At the last, we will remove the cavity from flask and disconnect the clamp. Yes, we have our final casting product. The surface finish can be improved by machining process. Well, let us see the advantages, disadvantages and applications of this process, and we will end up the video. First, advantages. This process can be completely automated for mass production. Second one, this process provides good surface finish so that the machining process can be eliminated in some cases. Third one, in this case, we will have lower labor cost. Fourth one, complex shapes can be produced with this process. And the last, very less scrap will be generated by this process. Next, disadvantages. The gating systems or pouring basin must be the part of pattern, which could be expensive in some cases. Second, the heater and resin cost is more, which makes the overall process cost somewhat more or expensive. And the last, applications. Variety of gear housings, ball bodies, cylinder heads and connecting rods can be produced by this process. This is all about the shell mold casting process. I hope this video was helpful for you. Tell me your feedback by just writing a single comment in the comment section below. By just clicking the like button, you can boost our willpower. Please share this video on social platforms and hit that bell icon by subscribing to this channel to get notified about similar videos. Thank you so much.